आप दोनों कौन हैं? Who are you petition?
Lots, petition number 1 is the BPL card holder Milots, and petition number 2 is Milots, the ex-chairman Milots of the Madhepura Nagar Parishad Milots.
Then ये नेताओं का काम थोड़ी है.
Petition number 1 is he is Milots, the BPL card holder.
He is already included now.
No Milots.
Then he can raise that objection there.
That's why I am
Where
submitting
is his application?
Milots for the inclusion of Milots 41 family Milots. For the inclusion of 41 family Milots in the BPL list Milots of part number 24 Milots, who are Milots earlier the BPL card holder Milots, but because of mistake of Milots, the surveyor Milots, their name does not appear Milots in the BPL list of part number 24, and therefore they are being deprived Milots on the benefit of the BPL.
दिनेश जी कैसे ना दिनेश जी का ना
How do we do it that these are all factual aspects?
Milots, in this regard, Milots,
How can this court give a finding that these 41 families are BPL first, and secondly that they should be included?
Milots,
If they were not included in the BPL list, they have their individual rights. They can challenge it. They can go and get themselves added.
Milots, page 12 is the representation filed before Milots, the district magistrate Milots in 2016-13.
They are not before us. Who are the
Milots, annexure 1 Milots is the.
आप दोनों कौन हैं? Who are you petition?
Milots, petition number 1 is the BPL card holder Milots, and petition number 2 is Milots, the ex-chairman Milots of the Madhepura Nagar Parishad Milots. And Milots, annexure 1 at page.
And who are those members? 41 families.
Milots, annexure 1 at page 9 Milots.
How do we know? Even they are existing or not, we don't know. How do we know? You let us know.
My lord may dispose of with direction Milots to district magistrate to consider Milots there.
How? Why should he consider? Those 41 people have, everybody has a right to go and get himself included in the BPL list if he falls in that list. ये नेताओं का काम थोड़ी है.
Petition number 1 is he is Milots, the BPL card holder.
He is already included now.
No Milots.
Then he can raise that objection there.
That's why I am submitting.
Where is his application?
Milots at page 12 Milots, annexure page 3 Milots. मेरी सेवा में जिला पदाधिकारी महोदय मधेपुरा वार्ड नंबर 24 के लोगों का सर्वेक्षण के दौरान जानबूझकर एक टोला छोड़कर लोगों का नाम पुनः राशन की सूची में जोड़ने और आवंटन बहाल करने के संबंध में सबने
ये तो नेताजी का है लेटर.
यस मिलोट.
उनका कहा है, उनका खुद का रिप्रेजेंटेशन कि मेरा नाम कर दिया गया. ये भी तो हो सकता है ना, जो पहले बीपीएल में हो और बाद में बीपीएल से बाहर निकल गए हो, उनका नाम तो हट जाएगा नेक्स्ट सर्वे में. हमने तो 2-3 वकीलों का भी नाम देखा है जिसका बीपीएल में लिखा हुआ था. गनीमत है जजेस का नहीं है, किसी का नाम डाल देते हैं वो.
liberty में can be granted to approach not the district magistrate not.
There is no. So if those individuals are aggrieved, they can always claim their status of BPL. But you show that there is any representation given by them to the collector. ये तो नेताजी कहीं ने.
Then
will not allow this. Petitioner number 2 is an ex-ward councillor and has approached this court alleging that 41 persons were removed from the BPL list in his ward. He does not mention the names of those 41 persons, and a general allegation, general mention is made in his representation. A list has been placed before this court as annexure 1 to submit that the said persons' names have been ousted from the BPL list. However, this court would not examine factual aspects. If any individual is aggrieved of his name being ousted from the BPL list, he alone has a right to take up the matter before the concerned authorities. Appeal against the said inaction can also be filed by moving a complaint before the concerned collector. The procedure being already available, the writ petition is wholly devoid of merits and is dismissed.
I'm seeking permission to withdraw.
We have passed an order.